Да, индонезийски национален отбор, за разлика от годините, когато бях треньор, разполага с играчи, които състезават в едни от топ 5 първенствата на Европа. Всички са тук, всички са на разположение на Джон Херман, с изключение на двама човека. Единия заради контузия, който играе в Холандия. Имат и още един играч с проблеми в Холандия, но всички са му на разположение. Натурализират играчи, работят много усърдно в посока да използват както местни играчи, и много силно на впечатление относно местните играчи направи вчера номер 7 Памункас, както и пък играча на Оксфорд номер 10 Ромей. Имат добра симбиоза между местни играчи и играчи, които играят в Европа. Не мога да кажа, за съжаление, не мога да кажа, че има фаворити или че ние сме фаворите в този двубой. Втори въпрос беше?
Може да преведа.
Може би да преведа. Не.
So the first question was for our coach, because there are two in total, and it was Indonesia have some players who are playing in the top 5 leagues in Europe, and based on that, who do you reckon is the favorite in this game? And Coach Dimitrov's reply was, when I was here, like a few or many years ago, it was a different story, because a lot of the players, or almost all of them, used to play here in the local league. Now you've got players who are playing in the top 5 leagues in Europe, and that only shows how much your team has developed throughout all these years. And almost all of these players who are playing in Europe are available to the head coach now, apart from a few exceptions, and the other day I was really impressed with the performance of number 7 and number 10 of your team, and I think there is a good mixture of local players and of players who are playing abroad. You're also like trying to get on board players born abroad to play for your national team, which is also something new. But to answer your question directly, I don't think there is a certain favorite heading into tomorrow's game.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya Bola Spotter.